Here we are.
Hey there, my name is Willie with Chili Willie's Ice Cream and Treats, and today we're doing a testimonial for a wonderful product, Waffle Cone Zone. Waffle cone flavoring, you can see. By the way, we're in Benson, Minnesota, if I didn't mention that. Western Minnesota. We produce these wonderful bowls, espresso, red velvet, strawberry, and blueberry, and also the cones. I will hand this over to Christopher and have him do further explanation.
Yep, we've been making these cones since we opened, actually a little bit before we opened, and we make them quite a bit. People love them, and we've actually made them in the bowls and the cones to kind of give it diversity and also for toppings as well.
Let me show you the product. We have the product from Waffle Cone Zone. This particular bottle is blueberry waffle cone mix. We love it. I encourage you to use it. The aroma in our parlor is phenomenal, and the flavor that it infuses in our waffle cones and bowls is just, the customers really get excited about it.
Yep, it's really good. We recommend you try it. We like it. You probably will too.
So this is Willie from Chili Willie's Ice Cream and Treats, and
Chris from Chili Willie's Ice Cream and Treats. I may not be Willie, but I do have Willie with me.
thank you very much.